Hello, I'm doing from Aroma, and this one's called Harvest Pumpkin Mug Candle 925 Sterling Silver Nature Necklace Collection. So I melted, it took an hour or so, but not sure where it's located. It is all melted and ready to go. Let's see where it's located. Yeah, sometimes I can find it and sometimes I cannot, so okay. And you can use these mugs for, give me a minute. It is so tricky to get it. Give me a minute, I'm trying to find it. Okay, just a little bit more. Give me a minute. These candles are very tricky. Okay. Okay, I'm having a hard time getting it out. So, oh, here it is. I'm gonna get a napkin and wipe it off. Just should have got more napkins, but it's okay. Okay, almost there. And here is the result. Right here. So gotta get that off. Give me a minute and I'll go get napkin. Another napkin. Sorry about that. And here's the foil. It's a little bit messy, which is okay. Just get it out. Just hard to get it out because of the all of the wax. Sorry if my hands are very gross in the video. I do apologize for anything like that. Okay, here's the necklace. I'm gonna cut it with scissors because it's a very messy, as you can see. Oops, sorry about that. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can get it out. So about this candle, this is going to be a little long video. Find a 9 sterling silver natural necklace inside this jewel. A true harvest blend of fresh pumpkin and sweet vanilla with swirled with notes of rich brown sugar and cinnamon spice. Light your candle and enjoy this amazing lasting fragrance. When you're finished burning, reveal your jewelry inside. As a bonus, reuse this pumpkin mug for your favorite fall drinks. This is 18 ounce and 510 grams, 1 wick, jewelry sealed in a bag and closed with silver. So my hands are dirty, so here is the little fall. I think it's a fox. Look at that, so cute. And you can reuse this necklace, make it small, short, however you like. I'm gonna go to the website in a minute. Give me a minute. I'm gonna go here and the bottom. Sorry about that. I'm having a hard time finding. Okay, candle. Let's get this revealed. And appraisal. And go to the bottom. And we're gonna put the video of my email already in there. Okay. Yes. Come on. And Lapskin is gonna be J E E F R V. This necklace is appraised for $60. Wow. I'm gonna post this on my group, and I'll clean it up and I'll post it. And if you guys are following me, you'll get to see. If you don't, well, that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. That I would really appreciate. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.